Hello friends, day 52. So yesterday I spent the evening with the Bristol 4, who I now know are Fran, Jules, Roger and Rick. And we had a nice meal. This morning I set off with the intention of doing a short day because I hadn't been feeling very well, but there was very little opportunity for anywhere to camp. So I've ended up doing a full day's walk. But the benefit of this is that I have ended up at a nice B&B with the Bristol 4 again. Let's have a look at where I've been today and see you on the trail. The winds were back with a vengeance today. Look at the way this heather's moving around. In the middle of nowhere, I came across this little puppy on the track. This was dinner at the Forest View Inn. Meet the Bristol 4.